Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am back at it with that everyday makeup tutorial or no makeup look that will be useful during work from home, office meetings and video conferences. This look is inspired by Hindash. Hope you will enjoy. So without further ado, let's get started. So for primer, I'm gonna use the Flower Perfecting Primer and I'm gonna smooth out all over my skin. It has a nice creamy texture, so it's gonna smooth at the same time. I'm gonna apply a little bit of Absolute Care Luxe Illuminating Day and Night Cream on my eye area. Why? Because I am currently out of my eye cream and this is lockdown and it's not fun, guys. I'm gonna take Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup in the shade of Nude 40. I'm just gonna use Eco Tools foundation brush and apply the foundation very thinly on the face. It's better to use full coverage foundation if you have at home right now. I'm just trying to show how we can achieve the high-end look using whatever products left at home right now. I would recommend something that matches your skin shade, your neck. For today's look, we are gonna go for an everyday look, so something very light. We are not gonna use eyeshadow. We will use contour palette today. Kind of multifunctional, I must say. Don't ignore your neck, guys. I'm just gonna do bare minimum today to save my foundation for now. But I'm sure you got the point. Then I'm gonna take a highlight and a contour stick from Hard Candy and cream contour my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and start highlighting first. I don't wanna do anything too obvious today. It should look very normal yet classy. Most of us have dark spots around the nose, under the lips, and dark circles around the eyes. So make sure to highlight those areas. Now let's take a wet beauty blender and tap over the highlighter. Just tap gently and firmly, if that makes sense. Now I'm gonna take a concealer from Wet n Wild in the shade of 842B Medium Tawny. I will give all the detail in the description box below, so don't panic if it's hard to follow me. To settle the cream, I'm gonna cover them with a face powder from L'Oreal True Match in the shade of W1. I'm gonna take a blending brush from Olivia Grace and blend it over the concealer and highlighter. Then to contour my face, for the first time I'm gonna use Revlon powder blush in the shade of 170703 and apply with the powder brush from Olivia Grace. So it might not look like anything is happening, but in reality you will get a very settled look. Apply a little bit on your nose tip too. Then I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush and contour my nose with that same blush powder. Make sure to apply little at a time. Once that's done, I'm gonna take my highlighter stick and highlight again. First I will focus on nose, then other areas. Every time I will blend them with my wet beauty blender. This blender will really push it in. After that, I'm gonna take this CoverGirl blush in the shade of 540 Rose Silk and contour my cheeks again. You might have noticed, so far I'm using blush today to contour my cheeks because they don't have bright colors. They're very calming and my contour should look natural. Don't forget to apply on your nose tip again. In this way you will get a fresher and younger look. So to get the ultimate shine, I will be using a highlighter from the Manizer sister in the shade of Mary Love Manizer. I'm gonna use my fingertip only. This highlighter has very small particles. That's why it doesn't look like, you know, on your face kind of thing. It does look very natural. To contour my eyes, I'm gonna take this peach shade from Avon and I'll be using this eyeshadow brush to blend them under my brow bone area. It will be like a transition color for me. Then I'm gonna use a little darker shade. For that I will be using CoverGirl contour powder in the shade of 6. I'm gonna draw my crease line. I will start from outer V, then continue on crease area. To highlight my lid area, I'm going to take my Manizer highlighter again and apply on the mid lid area with a blending brush. Once I'm done, I will be doing my blush with this beautiful peach shade from Avon and I'm going to apply with this fluffy brush from MAC. Then I'm going to take this brown eyeliner pencil from Revlon and draw very little on my lower lash area. I will not cover the whole area though. It should look like shadow instead of, you know, makeup. Then I'm going to take this angular brush from MAC and apply this brown shade under my lower lash area. Before applying mascara, you have to curl your lashes. For that I'm using Unbranded curler. Today I'll be using this mascara from Maybelline Great Lash and the shade is very black. I will wait for the first coat to dry and then apply more on top of it. I'm gonna repeat this process a few more times. For eyeliner, again I want to get a very natural look. For that I will be applying Revlon Color Stay eyeliner in the shade of 201 Black Noir. I'm going to apply as lightly as possible. I will just follow my natural eye shape. To draw my eyebrows, I'm gonna just take an eyeliner pencil from Profusion Cosmetics and draw as lightly as possible. Just follow your natural brow line and enhance it a little. Then to hold them in place, I'm gonna apply some clear brow gel mascara from e.l.f. I just decided to go ahead and highlight a little more. This tape is not essential. You can happily skip it if you don't want to. The only thing left is my lips. I'm gonna moisturize my lips with L'Occitane Vanilla Bouquet lip balm. I hope I said it right. This is one of the best lip balm I have ever used. You guys should definitely try it. To draw the outline, I'm gonna use a pink lip liner this time. I totally forgot the brand and you can literally use anything you have in your hand. Try to blend it nicely so that it does not look obvious. For lipstick, today I will be applying L'Oreal 977 Passionate Pink. I love this shade so much and I believe this is my shade. Oh well, this makeup looks really natural and you can wear it every day. Now we have to work from home, so this is perfect for that. All we have to do is to protect the whole makeup for a long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the setting spray all over my face and neck. Now let it dry. I think it turned out pretty good. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as I can. And I really hope you liked this video, and if so, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so that I can catch you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you next week. Bye.